GoLogin Anti-Detect Browser Guide. Manage multiple accounts without getting banned. Have you ever felt like the internet is monitoring your every move? Are you constantly getting blocked or flagged just for managing multiple social media accounts or e-commerce stores? Do geo-restrictions prevent you from accessing important platforms or tools? What if I told you there's a way to counter all these issues? 100 problems but one solution. And that is GoLogin Anti-Detect Browser. Surprised?
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
You open one browser tab to check your Facebook account, another to manage your eBay profile, a third for your dropshipping store, and maybe even one for Amazon selling. And suddenly, you're banned, tracked, blocked, and flagged for suspicious activity. That's where GoLogin comes in, an anti-detect browser trusted by thousands to run multiple accounts safely without leaving any digital fingerprints. If you feel problem in understanding this video, you can enable subtitles and view transcript of the video voiceover in your own native language. GoLogin creates a separate online identity, a virtual browser profile, for each account you manage. Each profile has its own fingerprint, cookies, cache, and IP address. To websites, it looks like a completely different person is using each account, even though it's all just you. No more bans, no more suspicious activity alerts, no more blocked logins. If you're a drop shipper running multiple Shopify or Etsy stores, a crypto trader switching wallets across restricted exchanges, a social media manager handling clients across platforms, or an Amazon and eBay seller balancing multiple seller profiles. You know how fast things can go wrong when everything runs in one browser. In short, you are managing multiple accounts and are afraid of getting banned. With GoLogin, each project, account, or client lives in its own isolated, undetectable environment, so you stay secure, compliant, and operational, no matter how many accounts you manage. And if you're navigating the world of DeFi or Web3, privacy and control over your identity is not optional. It's essential. By now, you've seen what GoLogin can do, and I know you're eager to see it in action. So let's dive in and watch the anti-detect browser at work. All right, here we go. We're creating a brand new browser profile and assigning it a proxy IP. Let's name this one LinkedIn Josh. And for the location, we're picking the United States. Just a few seconds later, we will be there in Las Vegas, USA, virtually. Hit Run to launch the profile. And there it is, our fresh new browser environment. Let's verify the fingerprints. We'll head over to iFeed.com to check the IP address and geolocation. And yup, as you can see, GoLogin has successfully assigned clean, aligned fingerprints that match our chosen location. So now, whether you log into Facebook, Amazon, TikTok, or Google Ads, you're not just browsing. You're Josh from Las Vegas, a completely separate, genuine identity online. Now, let's keep the same profile, but switch the location to the United Kingdom. Here we go. We're connecting to a brand new IP based in Britain. And just like that, we're all set. Still Josh, but now virtually browsing from the UK. Now we want to run one of our Amazon accounts from the USA again. No worries. GoLogin got us covered. We're picking a fresh proxy IP, and let's check if it's working correctly. A quick visit to whatsmyip.org, and yes, we're back in the United States. This Amazon account is now running as if we're genuinely located in the US. No traces, no leaks. No one can tell where we actually are or what other platforms or proxies we've used recently. All right, now let's switch our location from the USA to Germany. We're heading to Frankfurt, and just in a few seconds, here we go. Check that out. Our IP has changed, and we're now browsing straight from Germany. Now let's explore another awesome feature, inviting a team member. Let's say we're tired and want to take some rest, and let a teammate handle the work instead. No worries, GoLogin makes it super easy. Here we go. Just enter your teammate's email here. Choose whether to give access to specific folders or the full workspace, assign their role, and send the invitation. Boom, they take over, and you take a break. And that's just on the surface. Behind the scenes, GoLogin does so much more. Unlike traditional VPNs or incognito modes, it masks everything: your operating system, time zone, language, hardware specs, and more. That's what real anonymity looks like. Even advanced detection systems can't tell it's the same person behind the screen. GoLogin is perfect for crypto traders avoiding country bans, DeFi and Web3 users protecting wallet access and dApp usage, social media managers handling multiple client accounts, dropshippers and Amazon sellers managing various stores, affiliate marketers testing multiple funnels, anyone who just wants to avoid geo-restrictions over different platforms, anyone who needs separation between digital identities. You can try GoLogin for free, and when you sign up using my exclusive referral link or code, you'll get 2 GB of free residential proxies included. That means faster, safer browsing from virtually anywhere, right from the start. Use the official link in the description to sign up and unlock your free benefits. Or manually enter the referral code, DIGITDON, during sign-up to activate the bonus. In today's world, online platforms are getting smarter, but so can you. With GoLogin, you're in control. You protect your work. You protect your privacy. You protect your accounts. No bans, no interruptions, just freedom. And remember, this was the only video GoLogin Anti-Detect Browser Guide, Manage Multiple Accounts Without Getting Banned, that introduced you. Believe me, much more is still there you will explore when you get it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description, try GoLogin for free, and level up your digital privacy today. I would be truly glad and deeply encouraged if you ask me anything, share your suggestions, or leave a review in the comments section. I'm sharing the comments and prompt responses from viewers of one of my videos, just to show you that I read every single comment and truly enjoy responding to them. Whatever you write, even if it's a criticism or goes against me, I will treat it as a mandate for improvement. So please don't hesitate to comment. Your feedback will empower me and motivate me to work even harder for you.
We're sure this content has been valuable for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more useful and exciting content coming your way. That's it for now. See you in the next video soon. DIGITDON, the name of trust and reliability.